Right, I got the sides softened up, and still more cutting to do here, but I left this piece on for now just to give me something to lock onto. I think we'll start shaping the legs and the bottom, and then we'll work up into this area. Tomorrow I'll put in the neck, indicate where the arms are reaching up, and then I can start defining some body shape. With basswood, I find I get a much nicer finish if I use a scraper instead of sandpaper. Remember, I used these scrapers a lot when I was working on the fist. What a wonderful 18th birthday present that was for my kid. Though I will admit, I used a fair amount of sandpaper. And whatever else I thought might do the trick. Well, let's see what Janice can do with this one. Thanks for watching.